Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a way to access your chat history. Whether you're using Messenger on your Android device or iOS device, if you're facing this issue, I'll help you fix it. Let's get started without wasting any time. Create a PIN to secure your chat. Click on Create PIN. Set your new PIN code. Alternatively, go back and click on the More option. Choose from multiple options. Secure your chat with a 6-digit PIN. Continue with Google to access your chat with Google Drive. Store on device only, which means the chat will be stored on your device only. Select your preferred option. For example, choose Create a 6-digit PIN and click on Continue. Select and verify your PIN code. Now, your PIN has been set up on your Messenger. To secure any chat, click on the chat and adjust the settings to make it secure. I hope this video helps you out. If you found it useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.